Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Le Chatelier's principle states that if a stress is applied to a system at equilibrium, the system will shift to partially counteract that stress. The reaction is CH3CuO plus CH3 or happy smiley CH3CuO3 plus H2O. This is an esterification equilibrium reaction. Acetic acid plus methanol happy smiley methyl acetate plus water. Analyzing each option. A. Equimolar quantities of reactants. With equimolar starting amounts, the equilibrium constant, K4 for typical esterifications, means the conversion is only about 2/3, not the greatest possible yield. Using excess of one reactant would give a higher yield. So, A is false. B. Removal of water. Water is a product on the right side. By Le Chatelier's principle, removing a product shifts the equilibrium to the right, toward products, increasing the formation of ester. This is correct and true. Removal of water drives the forward reaction, producing more CH3CuO3. C. Addition of CH3CuO3, adding a product, ester, shifts the equilibrium to the left, toward reactants, producing more CH3CuO and CH3O, not more water in equal moles to the ester added. The equilibrium shifts back, so the statement equal number of moles of water formed is not necessarily accurate. The shift produces reactants, not water equivalently. So, C is misleading false as stated. D. Application of pressure. Both sides of the reaction have equal moles of gas. In solution phase reactions, pressure has negligible effect, and even in gas phase, both sides have 2 moles total, 2 moles reactants and 2 moles products. Since moles on both sides are equal, pressure change does not shift the equilibrium. So, D is false. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.